How's it going, guys? So finally getting around to doing the Crown Zenith Pokemon Center ETB opening. Looking for any of the Creation Trio, Giratina, Origin Form Dialga, Palkia, Arceus, those crazy gold rarities. Haven't opened Crown Zenith in a long time. I remember whenever it first came out, and I just like bought a crazy amount of it. So this is going to be pretty cool. It's been a while. Alright, so there's 12 packs. Let's see how this goes. I think the pack rule is still 4 to the top, just because it was Sword and Shield, but I'll have to double check here. Code card. If not, it'll be 3. So it's 4. Salazzle, Carnivine, Giratina, Emolga, Yungoos, Cherubi, Execute, Rockruff, Yanma, Hatterene VMAX, right off the right off the bat. Nice. Nice card. Hatterene was actually pretty good. Especially, you can use it for a Trick Room, and it had Mystical Fire for coverage, so Steel wasn't all that but hard for it to walk around. Electric, Tang, Digging Doe, Graveler, Yanma, Poniard, Bidoof, Potion, Galarian Mr. Mime, Aaron, whatever you want to say, Flyford. Guys, if you haven't checked it out yet, go ahead and check out the Journey Together booster box openings that we did on the YouTube. Done 2 so far. That was definitely fun. Actually a big fan of that set. I know that people weren't hyped up on it at first, but I like it. Got the Hollow Dark Energy there, and Luxray. Still looking for that Hops Zacian EX SIR and the Salamence as well. I actually think the Hops Zacian is my favorite card at this point, though. Should be 4 to the top there. Dark Energy, Soul Rock, Krokorok, Luxio, Salandit, Energy Search, Grubbin, Skrelp, Wooloo, Gumshoes, and then Rotom V. That Rotom V was pretty good and competitive for a while for the TCG. I'm not sure if it's still in format or not. I'd have to double check to see if it's Regulation F. Code card. Should be 4 there. Water, Drafrig, Pincurchin, Rescue Carrier, Energy Retrieval, Shinx, Larvesta, Snorunt, Rockruff, Simisear V-Star, Zeraora VMAX. Very nice. Nice pulls there. Dark, Rescue Carrier, so Lazzle, Carnivine, Cherubi, Starly, Switch, Execute, Love Disc, Purloin, Kyogre V. Very cool. For the top, Grass, Lost Vacuum, Electric, Ultra Ball, Snorunt, Rockruff, Tangela, Baltoy, Galarian Meowth, Mewtwo, Double. Guys, if you haven't, check out our Collect store if you're looking for any singles or anything like that. We have sports and we have Pokemon. We'll be adding more to it here in the future. Rare Candy, Bisharp, Lunatone, Corphish, Energy Search, Scyther, Riolu, and another of the Dark Energy Hollows there. Blossom. I think we've got 4 packs left here. Good card for whoever wants it. Okay. Fighting Energy, Carnivine, Lozvacuum, Flareon, Kricketot, Shinx, Galarian Mr. Mime, Sunkern, Coughing, Salazzle Reverse, Tauros. 3 more packs here. Okay. Fire, Lunatone, Solrock, Rare Candy, Cherubi, Execute, Rockruff, Purloin, Love Disc, Bidoof, Tangrowth. Everyone loves Bidoof. One more pack after this. See if we can get some pack luck here to end it. Trekking Shoes, Shaman, Friends in Hisui, Emolga, Love Disc, Chatot, Yanma, Poniard, Keldeo, nice. Galarian Gallery, that's really nice. That's a really nice card. Tapu Lele, really like the artwork on that with like the Northern Lights type of deal going on in the sky for it. I don't know if I've ever seen that card before. Alrighty, guys. Last pack luck. Let's see if we can get it. Steel, Metang, Energy Switch, Krokorok, Riolu, Starly, Scyther, Emolga, Yungoos, Execute, and Snorlax. The Crocheted Snorlax. But not too bad. So these were our hits today. Had the Kyogre V, Simisear V-Star, that Zeraora VMAX, Rotom V, Hatterene VMAX, that thing's really shiny, and then the Keldeo Galarian Gallery. That looks really nice. Guys, thank you as always for watching, and stay tuned for future videos, and when we hit 50 subscribers, we'll do that giveaway. We're right there. See you next time, guys.